Hello everybody and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another crypto update. First of all, Coinbase users can now buy crypto with Apple Pay. Coinbase has added additional user-friendly payment options to the platform, and it is huge. Buying Bitcoin just got easier. You can sync your Apple Pay wallet to Coinbase using any Visa or MasterCard debit card. Wow, right? Wow. So, in the same post, Coinbase announced instant cash outs via real-time payments, enabling customers in the United States with linked bank accounts to instantly and securely cash out up to $100,000 per transaction, which is pretty huge. Now, they're not the first. Digital asset exchange Gemini made a similar move back in April, integrating Google Pay, Apple Pay, cash transfer options onto its platform. But for Coinbase to be a public company to do this, it's pretty damn nice, right? I mean, I can't really say anything negative about it. Now, one thing we did see from Coinbase today as well is a new United States bill presently awaiting approval includes alterations to the crypto country's tax requirements. Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong recently expressed disagreement with the bill, calling one aspect nonsensical. He just posted that on Twitter. Then, the SEC has no authority over crypto, the CFTC commissioner argues. Arguably, one of the most fun things of today has been the SEC and the CFTC, or I guess it's yesterday already, not coming to a conclusion about who regulates crypto and under whose jurisdiction it should fall. Former CFTC Chair Christopher Giancarlo argued that the CFTC is the only U.S. regulatory agency that has experience regulating markets for Bitcoin and crypto. And so it's a back and forth that is yet to be determined, but right now it is basically the CFTC versus the SEC with the legislators in the background. It's wild. Then Coinbase acquires crypto exchange data aggregator Xabo. Xabo's API integrations include more than 50 crypto exchanges and wallet services, including Coinbase's rival Kraken. Nasdaq-listed crypto exchange Coinbase continues its buying spree by acquiring the crypto aggregator service Xabo, and yeah, it's a Dallas-based crypto startup providing data integration services with major crypto exchanges and wallets, including Coinbase's rival Kraken. It's not really shown exactly how big they are or the real details of it, but I guess this is good. This is just one of those internal things which you're not going to notice anything of unless you're really involved deeply into it. But maybe some of you guys are Coinbase investors and you'd like to have news about it. I'm not sure. Here you go. You have news. And then Aave, which is one of my favorite projects in the crypto space, as you guys most likely know. Aave price had hit a 2-month high on Wall Street's DeFi adoption hopes. Well, bids for the lending platform token surged dramatically after Bitwise Investments announced an Aave-focused fund for institutional investors. Demand for Aave has boomed dramatically over the last 24 hours as traders addressed its involvement in Bitwise Investments' upcoming institutionally focused investment vehicle. The San Francisco-based asset management firm announced Wednesday that it would invest directly in Aave to back its Bitwise Aave Fund, a fund created to build a bridge between accredited investors and the emerging decentralized finance sector. Quote, there is growing demand from financial advisors, hedge funds, institutions, and other professional investors for exposure to the growing, or actually fast-growing DeFi markets. Matt Hugan, Chief Information Officer of Bitwise, said in a press release, adding that the investment product would simplify access to DeFi markets for professional investors. The announcement helped to send the bids for Aave higher across spot exchanges. As a result, the DeFi protocol token surged 9.9% to $330 and continued its upside momentum heading into the current sessions. Now, guys, I'm extremely bullish on Aave, as you guys most likely know. It's just pretty simple to get yourself a nice little return over there, and it's one of those DeFi protocols which you just have to believe in, and I guess I just do. For what reason than any other platform? I can't really tell you guys that it's really better inherently, but it's just the one that I've chosen, and I guess you can kind of say it's just one of the many. Then again, I do believe in it, and I guess I can also say I do believe in Coinbase to some degree. If I had to make a choice between holding Coinbase stock and not holding Coinbase stock, I would always say, man, it's worth it for the sake of crypto just going up as time moves on, right? And as crypto moves upwards, Coinbase stock will become more valuable, and there might be some controversies, might be some lawsuits, which can determine the price for the short term. Longer term, Coinbase is going to stick around, and it is one of the biggest exchanges, if not the biggest exchange in the world. So I would definitely say it is worth it to have some of that stock as well, as they're going to be acquiring more and more crypto companies under themselves as well. And I think it's pretty damn huge. Even though the CFO sold all his shares in the past, right now we're at half the price that it was during that start session. So it's become a lot better. And regarding this SEC CFTC battle, I don't know who's going to win. It's an interesting one. And I said before, things are going to get a whole lot worse before they're going to get a whole lot better. And we're just part of that progress right now.